Welcome to NBT.2 tutorial, part 1. 4.NBT.2 is a Common Core standard that deals with reading and writing numbers and comparing numbers. So here I have a sample item that says, what is 400,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 90 written in standard form? Well, standard form is a number written only with digits. So our strategy for turning expanded form, or a number written based on its individual values, in standard form is to line up the numbers by place value and then do exactly what expanded form tells them to do, which is to add the two numbers together. So by lining up our numbers and then adding them, we see that the standard form of our number is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 ones, 9 tens, 3 hundreds, 2,000, 0 10,000, and 400 thousands. So the standard form of our number from expanded form is 402,390. So we type the number in standard form using only digits. Now looking at part B, it says compare the two numbers using greater than, less than, or equal. Now the way to remember the difference between greater and less is when you take the less sign, it looks like an L for less. Greater than is the opposite. Another strategy is to use dots. So for example, if I have a 2 in a certain place and 5 in a certain place, the 5 being the bigger digit gets 2 dots. The 1 being the smaller digit gets 1 dot. So connect them together and you see that 2 is less than 5. Now let's go back to part B. We cannot compare these two values because one value is in standard form. The other is in expanded form. However, we have already converted our expanded form into a standard form number, 402,390. So our strategy for comparing two numbers is to line them up by place value. So I have done the first number because it came first, so it will be on top. Going to the second number, 0 in the ones, 9 in the tens, 3 in the hundreds, 2 in the thousands, 0 in 10,000, 4 in the 100,000. But as I notice, the top number are 40,300. Oh, I inverted my numbers. I apologize. Sometimes that does happen when we write our numbers. 239. So our number that is first does not have a digit in the hundred thousands place. So our strategy is to fill in that place with a 0. Starting with the first one, 0 and 4 are different. So 0 and 4. 4 gets 2 dots, 0 gets 1. And we see that our first number, 40,239, is less than 402,239 because 0 is less than 4.